Young lions and a buffalo lasted more than 17 hours.
Legs are completely spent, they are done. Ripped through the tendons in the back leg, so he can't walk. And like I said, it's quite a sensitive sight, but they're definitely going to get this buffalo. There's no doubt about it. We're watching. It's nature. Nature's tough. It's cruel, but Lower Zambezi, incredible experience.
One move, the buffalo could end her life. Several hours went by after the little incident between the lioness and the buffalo. The elephant was slowly moving closer, what was happening very close to him. Eventually, one of the young males decided it was time for him to take a turn, to try and see if he can subdue and possibly kill this buffalo bull. While one of the brothers fought away with the buffalo, the other just watched, rather cautious to get involved. Perhaps wanting to see how it turned out before he got stuck in there. Absolutely battered, bruised, broken, this buffalo bull put up an immense fight. The lions tried just get this buffalo bull off of his feet. Incredible to see the resilience of this animal. Then, out of nowhere, the elephant bull suddenly became aware of what was happening. He moved in closer and almost sent the lions flying to the other side of the riverbed. Everybody was startled by the sudden appearance of the elephant. Even the elephant himself got quite a fright. Sadly for the buffalo, it was merely a slight distraction for these lions. Now more than ever, they seemed determined. Even though the sun was hot, midday hours setting in, the lions now seemed desperate to try and end the life of this buffalo. Incredibly, this buffalo fought off this very strong and determined attack by the lions. Even so, that the lions decided to go and rest. They had given everything they had within the experience that they had built up over their short lives to try and get the buffalo down. But I have no doubt this is not the first time this buffalo has had to face lions. His determination to get away from the scene, to be done with these lions, was incredible, and just again shows how resilient nature can be. He was badly injured, mortally wounded more than likely, but still would not give up the fight. By early evening, the lions had rested up for a few hours. The buffalo, lying down, still head up, still very much a target for them. After a little bit of play and interaction, building camaraderie and unity, the lions regained their confidence and soon enough set back onto the task of killing and subduing this buffalo bull. These were young lions, full of life and confidence, and taking down a buffalo bull would be a massive accomplishment for them at such young age. Perhaps emboldened by the fall of darkness, the lions decided to try again. now had the buffalo where they wanted him from the very beginning, on his side. And yet still, their inexperience did not allow them to deliver the swift blow, the killing bite. You can see the lioness trying to grab hold of the muzzle, one of the young males on the throat, but the lack of experience just did not allow them to put this buffalo out of its misery. The fight just kept going on and on. Incredibly difficult to watch, painful, absolutely gutted to see the buffalo suffer like this. But nothing we could do. The lions grabbed hold of private parts anywhere they really could to try and end the life of this buffalo after nearly 17 hours. And that right there was his last bellow. Buffalo finally gave in to the lions 17 hours later. It was an incredible battle, not easy to watch. I don't have the right to intervene, as difficult as what it may be. In this instance, I'm merely an observer and I capture the experience to share. It was brutal every single minute of that 17-hour period. But the lions learnt and gained valuable experience, and the buffalo bull fought valiantly. When we returned the following morning, young lions were still lying up, but had not yet opened the carcass. They were unable to, and they did not have the experience, and it was only until the following evening that the rest of the pride and pride males arrived, that the carcass was fully opened and enjoyed. This buffalo bull was old. He was likely injured even before the lions arrived and had served his purpose. He fought bravely, and the lions earned a hard-fought meal. To play witness to this was absolutely incredible, and a moment I will simply never forget. Thank you for watching this with me, as tough as what it may have been.